Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making cookies. Don't worry guys, I got you. So we're gonna throw the cookies in. Now we're gonna put in half a cup of butter. So now we're gonna turn a half a cup, one egg. Right. So now you're gonna use your hands like right. So now we have it in the bowl like this. Don't worry guys, I got you. So now guys, we're gonna put it in the tray. Don't worry guys, I got you. Don't worry guys, I got you. Hey guys, so now your cookies are finished. Now we're gonna put it to bake. Don't worry guys, I got you. Hey guys, so now the cookies are done. Don't worry guys, I got you. I'm gonna try it now. So good. The chocolate just makes it better. Don't worry guys, I got you. See you in the next video.